Hello there, Assalamu alaikum. I've been joined with my favorite student, Zurin. Well, let's know something more detail about her. Hello, ma'am, how are you?
I'm fine, Alhamdulillah. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Would you introduce yourself, please?
Yeah, of course. I'm Zarin Tasimpriya. I'm studying in class 6 at Vikarna Noon School and College.
Okay. You were a sixth grader, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Zarin, do you love numbers?
Yeah, I do.
You do?
Yeah.
Bigger numbers or small numbers?
Both.
Both numbers.
Yeah.
Can you show me a reason?
Because we form bigger numbers by the small numbers.
You're smart. That's good. But I've got a question related to IQ. Okay.
Okay.
1 to 9. Are they digits or numbers?
Digits.
They're not numbers.
No.
Are sure?
Yeah.
Are sure?
I'm sure.
So 9 is a digit, not a number.
Yeah. Not a number.
9 is not a number.
No.
Are sure?
Yeah.
No, actually 9 is also a number.
Um,
You
learned
know that
from school that it's a digit, only one.
that is
single-
also true.
Yeah.
Actually 1 isn't it a
One
number?
Yeah, it is, but also a digit.
So that's the
Both.
right answer. Yeah.
Yeah.
So what is the right answer then? 1 to 9?
1 to 9, they are both numbers and digits.
Yeah. And 11,
Yeah. That is
And-
a number, not a digit.
not a digit. But if you say how many digits are there in 11?
There are two digits,
So-
1 and 1,
Yeah, so 11 is a 2-digit number.
2-digit.
And 9?
And 9 is a 1-digit number.
Okay, I hope you got it, right?
Yeah, I got it.
That's good. Okay, now I'm going to ask you some questions.
Okay.
You know all the smaller numbers,
Yeah, I know.
but we'll talk about the bigger numbers today.
Okay.
What is 1000? It's a peculiar question though.
Yeah. This is 10 to the power 3 or 10 cubed.
10 to the power 3 or 10 cubed. Now, you know the multiples, right?
Yeah, I do.
For example, 3, and then the multiples of 3 are then 6,
6, 9,
9,
12,
12,
18,
15,
15, 18.
and also 21,
yeah, and also 21,
24.
24,
right.
27, 30.
Right. These are
Yeah.
multiples of 3. Now, if we go for the next number, it's a big number, 1 million. What do you mean by 1 million?
1 million means 10 to the power 6. That means 6 zeros after 1.
Do you find any similarity between 1000 and 1 million? I mean, is there any similar characteristics there?
The whole number, that means 10.
Do you see any increase, the similar increase?
Yeah, I do. 1000 is equal to 10 to the power 3, and 1 million equals to 10 to the power 6. That means 3 twos are 6, and that's a multiple of 3.
So the power 3 in 1000 and then 6 in 1
6
million.
in 1 million.
Yeah, that's right. You rightly understood. If you go to the next bigger number, that is 1 billion. So what will be the definition? I mean, you can define 1 billion in two different ways, in terms of power and in terms of zeros.
Zeros. In terms of power, I can tell 10 to the power 9, and in case of zeros, we can say 9 zeros after 1.
And how the power increased from 1 million to 1 billion.
3 times?
So power 6 to 9, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's very good. And what should be the next bigger number?
It should be 10 to the power 12.
And what do you call it?
1 trillion.
1 trillion.
Yeah.
We heard that Bill Gates is a billionaire,
Yeah.
but no one in the world has ever been a trillionaire till
Yeah.
today. Now we understand what is a trillionaire,
Yeah.
right? And so now if Bill Gates have got some $100 billion, can you tell me what do you mean by $100 billion?
Of course, 10 to the power 11.
You're so sweet. Can you explain more?
Because 100 has 2 zeros with it, and we know that 1 billion equal to 10 to the power 9. If we add 2 with 9, then we get 11. That's why 10 to the power 11.
So Mr. Bill Gates has got 10 to the power $11,
Of course.
meaning
indeed.
$100 billion,
Yeah.
right? That's very good. Now, if I call a number 1,000 trillion, what will be the power? And do we have any name of this number?
Yeah, we do. The power will be 10 to the power 15 and we call this quadrillion.
You know many things. Okay, quadrillion.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. And 10 to the power 15, how did you get the number? I mean the power, how did you get the power?
Yeah, you told me 1000 trillion, right? So trillion means 1 trillion means 10 to the power 12 and 1000 has 3 zeros. So we add 3 with 12 and thus we get 15. So 10 to the power 15 and in the formula we know that quadrillion equals to 10 to the power 15 and that is equal.
Are you a mathematician?
No, I'm not.
So how come you know this much things?
Because I have read in books.
What is the name of your book?
Math Genius?
Oh, who has written this book?
You.
Oh, yeah, right. Maybe I have given you the book today
Yeah,
as
you
a
have
gift,
given
right?
me, yeah.
And what is the promise that you will cover the whole book?
I will. I
and
just
you will be a
loved
mental
it.
mathematician, right?
Yeah.
Inshallah.
I want to be.
You see here, just she studied with her mom. She came to the studio of TESOL Bangladesh and she studied just for 30 minutes and after that you see the performance, okay? And we have got some crores of students in the country, right? Crores of students, about 4 crore students.
Yeah.
And you'll be surprised to know, you'll not get maybe 400 or 1000 students who know this kind of things.
Yeah.
I'm really proud of you. I'm really proud of you.
Thank you.
So you learned billion, trillion. Do you know any more bigger numbers?
Yeah, I know.
Can you?
Google 10 to the power 100.
10 to the power 100. What do you mean by 10 to the power 100?
100 zeros after 1.
It's a very small number, do you know?
Yeah.
And what is the biggest number of the world?
No one knows what's the biggest number in the world, but we have come to know that centillion is the biggest one, which is 10 to the power 303.
Yeah, the question comes that what if we add another zero with a centillion? Like say 10 centillion.
Yeah.
We can say a centillion, 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 centillion.
Yeah, we can.
That can be a number. So you rightly said that actually no one will reach the end of a
Reach.
number.
Yeah.
Because you can add zeros after zeros after zeros after zeros.
Yeah, we
and
can.
all people of the world, 7 billion people, if they add zeros after zeros after zeros up to the day of judgment, will never end to the end of
yeah.
a number.
Yeah,
Right.
that's
So that's
true.
why no one knows the biggest number of the world. Right. Now, if I had tell you to subtract bigger numbers in your head, no calculator will be allowed. Okay.
Okay.
Can you do that?
Yeah.
Now, if I tell you that you subtract 100 billion
100 billion
from
from.
100 trillion,
Okay. I can. 100 billion. Okay. That means 1 billion 10 to the power 9 and 100 billion is 10 to the power 11
yeah,
minus. You have
you have
told me
to
100
subtract this 100
trillion.
billion
Yeah.
from 100 trillion.
Okay. Then 100 trillion. We know 1 trillion equal to 10 to the power 12. So 100 trillion means 10 to the power 14. So 10 to the power 14 minus 10 to the power 11.
Mhm.
The smaller number is 11.
Okay.
So we have to put 11 zeros.
Okay.
And if we subtract 14 minus 11,
Mhm.
we get 3.
Yeah.
So we have to put 3 nines before the 11 zeros. That means 3 nines and 11 zeros. And that's the answer.
You have been smarter than a calculator. Do you know how? Because no calculator can calculate
Yeah.
this bigger number. Because in a calculator you can use 12 digits.
Yeah.
But here you see you are using many, like 24, 25 digits.
Yeah, I have.
So you have been smarter than a calculator.
I think so.
Yeah, that's very good. Okay, Miss Zarin,
Yeah.
now I want you to fail to solve this problem.
Why?
Because it's really challenging. If you can do that, I'll give you a salute.
Okay.
Okay. You have to subtract 1 billion million from 1 million trillion. Meaning
Okay.
1 million trillion minus 1 billion trillion.
Okay. 1 million is equal to 10 to the power 6.
Okay.
And 1 trillion is equal to 10 to the power 12. So 12 and 6, that means 18. 10 to the power 18 minus 1 billion million. That is, billion means 1 billion means 10 to the power 9. And 1 million means 10 to the power 6.
Okay.
So 9 and 6, that means 14. 15.
Okay.
9 and 6, 15. So 10 to the power 18 minus 10 to the power 15. 15 zeros 18 minus 5, 3, 3 nines and 15 zeros.
I should give you a salute. Thank you. You
Thank
really
you.
did
Okay.
it. You really did it. I'm so happy that, yeah. Can you just believe a sixth grader can solve this bigger problem in her head without any calculator in just some few seconds? She subtracted this problem. 1 million trillion minus 1 billion
Million.
million. Have you ever tried this? If you want to, join Kids International and TESOL Bangladesh. You can be like Zareen. And every kid has got talent. And we believe Allah has given equal talent to every kid.